Outrage over no air conditioning at the Lincoln Hall of Justice in Detroit.
And it led to one judge writing a scathing post on Facebook about the problems.
7 Action News reporter Kimberly Craig is live in Detroit, right outside that courthouse at the center of it all. Kim, fill us in.
Yes, Carolyn and Alan, the building has some major power problems, and so the AC is out. And take a look behind me here. The judges were told those portable chillers would be working, but they're not. So they were told they could cancel their dockets. But one judge posted on Facebook, how does that serve the public? People want their kids returned. They want their cases heard.
And it was very warm. I would say the temperature was around 90 degrees.
Chief Judge Robert Colombo is talking about the temperature inside the Lincoln Hall of Justice, where the air conditioner is not working, making it miserable for people who have to work here or appear in court on matters involving their children.
You would have thought that they would have did what they had to do to get the air working, back knowing that they have families in here stressed out with children.
It's pretty humid, pretty stuffy. There was one lady in there that yelled, hey, is the air on? And I don't think she got an answer back.
The situation's so miserable, Judge Karen Braxton posted on her Facebook page this morning, "It is a shame that we continue to work in these conditions. It is even more shameful that we ask the public to come to court and sit in crowded hallways of a terrible building with no air."
Everybody's already stressed enough as it is, and then it just adding the temperature on top of it, it doesn't make it any better.
Power to the building was knocked out earlier this week by the storm and is still not back on, so a massive generator is being used. But unfortunately, the chief judge says the portable air conditioning units, known as chillers, are still not working, and they haven't been told why. 7 Action News has tried calling Wayne County Executive Warren Evans' office for answers.
But we need to get these chillers operating so that we can get court back open Monday. It needs to happen.
Also in Judge Braxton's Facebook post, she says the detained kids are being held in vans because it's too hot to have them wait in the holding cells.
Yeah, in a legal environment, I don't think it's good to keep everyone, high, tense, sweaty. If everyone has a little AC, I feel like things will go smoothly in there.
And we finally did reach a spokesperson for Wayne County Executive Warren Evans, who says there are no plans to move Lincoln Hall of Justice to a better building, but he says they are exploring options to address the issues here. And Carolyn and Alan, right now they say they are working to make sure these chillers are working by Monday. Back to you.
You gotta hope they will, and I know we'll keep checking until they do. Thank you so much, Kim, for the live report.